What's up guys, Frank here. I have a couple products that I want to show you guys that I recently got. So the first one here is a 5-gallon solar shower. So I actually don't plan on using it as a shower, but more like a sink. So I had seen one of these on Amazon for 20 bucks. I had it on my shopping cart, but I was at Walmart and saw it for 8 bucks. Let's open it up. Let's see how it looks. For 8 bucks, I'm not expecting much. This is pretty much everything that comes in the box. Wow, it's a lot bigger than I expected it to be. Actually feels decent, the material. So my plan with this is you put water in it, you hang it up on a tree, kind of like you see in the picture. And it has this nozzle here. You open and close the water. And so I plan on using it more like a sink. Wash your hands, wash the dishes, and so forth. So we'll be saving this for the next camping trip. I'll tell you guys how it works. Alright, so the next item is a stove. Didn't have plans on buying a stove. I was just online going through Amazon. This bad boy came up. They said it was on sale for 40 bucks. Looked it online. Some stores have it for 50, some have it for 80. But 40 bucks is not bad. Seen some reviews on it. It has good reviews. Let's check it out. Alright, so that's what it looks like. This is the back of the box. This is the front. So what I really liked about it is how thin and slim it is. So when you go out, it doesn't take up too much room in your rig. It's really nice. It's not heavy too, and I like that. Open it up. Turn it towards you. Recently we went to Lido Creek and it got a little windy. And I sure would have liked some of these flaps on the side. These are going to be awesome. So yeah, there it is. Real basic, but I like that. I like that it's simple. I like these flaps. Last time we went out camping, we on our other grill got windy, and these would have really come in handy. Real easy to put on and off. I really like it. So pretty much you just screw this here on the side, screw it on, throw in your gas tank, and you're ready to go. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it right there. I love it. Real basic and simple. I'd say a good 40 bucks well spent. That's the new Coleman camping stove. Thanks for watching guys. We'll show you guys next time we go out camping how it works out. If you guys could like and subscribe, we will appreciate it. See you guys on the next video.